Introducing the OnePlus Pad Pro, where Pro truly means a serious upgrade from its predecessor, the OnePlus Pad. Imagine everything you loved, but bigger and better. Visually, the OnePlus Pad Pro maintains the sleek design of its predecessor, but scales up with a stunning 12.1-inch LCD display boasting 3K resolution. That's a significant bump from the 11.6 inches on the standard model. What's more, enjoy a silky smooth experience with a 144Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 900 nits, perfect for vibrant viewing. OnePlus has also optimized the aspect ratio to 7:5, which means you can see more content on your screen at once compared to the usual displays. This makes multitasking and content consumption even more immersive. Under the hood, OnePlus swaps out the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 for a powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. This upgrade promises top-tier performance. Accessories? They've got an upgrade too. Meet the new Smart Stylus Pro and an enhanced magnetic keyboard, now sleek in black with added NFC connectivity. It's all about functionality and style. Available in space gray or khaki green, the OnePlus Pad Pro comes in multiple configurations. The base model, featuring 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, is priced at 28.99 yuan, which converts to roughly $399. For those needing more power, the top-tier version offers 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage at 3,799 yuan, approximately $522. Is it the iPad Air's new challenger? Perhaps, but with a Snapdragon chipset and a larger display, OnePlus might just be eyeing the higher echelons of the tablet market. In the US, the OnePlus Pad was only released in the 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage version. It would be great if OnePlus offered the higher storage capacity options when they bring the Pad Pro over, as has been rumored. And that's a wrap on the OnePlus Pad Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the OnePlus Pad Pro. Are you considering making the switch when it lands? Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.